Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's live trading. Hang on, I need to do that again. So hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's I hadn't pressed live on TikTok, so you know, it's good to welcome everyone together. Yeah. You know, so shall we start again?
You can start again.
Refresh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's edition of live trading with me, Russell, and my beautiful assistant, Sinu. He loves it when I say that, don't you, Sinu?
Yes, of course.
How's your week been? And this is the first week after the Fed night, right?
Yeah.
Did you trade on the Fed night? What was the situation? I saw on the group, on the Telegram group, that you made £600 profit on that. Did you?
600?
Was it 600
or a 6k?
Was it 6k?
Let's go back and check. I think it was 6k, isn't it?
Okay, well, if anyone's on the Telegram group and they know the answer to that, please feel free to correct me. Feel free to correct me. It's okay. We believe you, Sinu.
No, I just want to cross check because that was a good trade.
6,000 pennies, was it?
Yeah, 5,684. Yeah,
okay.
Some were close to. So we made a loss, right? Basically, we did live trade together. On,
yes,
on the new
last
Wednesday.
week, yeah. Gold was shocking last week. Yeah,
and then we went on short on gold. And it dropped massively, captured a good point. The remaining one lot, if you remember, if you can just go back and check. So this was the trade we made.
Oh, I can do this here. 1 second. I have the technology. So if I go to history.
Yeah.
Oh no, hang on, it's not here.
It's not there?
No, where is it? In orders. Oh, are you using a different?
No, it's the same thing.
Sorry, am I on the wrong one?
You're on the right one.
Well,
go to the history.
It's not there, look.
It's not there.
History's not there. How very
go
strange.
To the calendar.
Calendar?
Yeah, today.
Ah,
put them
okay. So
last week.
Okay, last week.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Let me bring the position screen up. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hang on, sorry. It's this stupid phone and Dex. There you go. Yeah. Right, there you go.
So last week, this is what we did. And we did live trade, but starting with the small losses. You can see.
where was you at the right place? Where was it? On what date? Do you remember the date?
Yeah, it is Wednesday, right? Wednesday the 29th.
Ah, so it's here.
Yeah.
So these are the trades.
Yeah.
All failed trades.
Yeah. That was
unfortunately.
Scratch.
Not massive losses though, is it?
No, that's a scratch basically.
Okay, what do you mean a scratch?
So
on your account?
No, I mean not my account. Any trader will have a break-even trade.
Yeah, of
also
course.
as a scratch.
Yeah.
As if like you enter the position and you don't feel right, and then you exit the trade.
Yeah.
You don't let it ride to break even or stop loss or target, but you just exit because you don't feel right about that particular trade.
Yeah. Hang on, I'm just answering somebody here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so but on the Fed night, how did that go? Why don't you bring your laptop? Is your laptop working today, is it?
Yes, it is working today.
So let's have a look at the Fed night.
Yeah.
And let's see, obviously zoom in so people can see it easier on the screen. Ye of smaller screens. Obviously we are across multiple platforms, so feel free to also go on platforms that might have a more vertical screen setup, you know.
So this was the trade, which we have discussed and posted it on, before the Fed.
Yep.
And we were looking for this particular level, if you remember.
Yep.
I don't think so, but if you remember at all, then we were looking at this particular area to go long.
Yeah.
And the price making a decision at this balanced price range, and price come back, and buyers were not able to hold on to that prices.
Yeah.
And then sell off happened.
Yeah.
And I was waiting for a retest towards 4004, and that retest happened, and then I took my entry.
Yeah.
And you can see I got late entries like 94 something. Somewhere here we got the entry. If you look at that particular trade,
What date
if you
was
scroll
that
down,
again?
scroll down. No, if you scroll
Down?
yeah, that's the 3,994 is the entry which we have got.
3,000.
I think this is not visible to people listening.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, well done.
So if you scroll down all the way down,
that's all the way
that's
down.
all the way down.
That's
Okay,
as
that's fine.
low as it
That's
is.
fine. But
As lowest as it goes.
yeah. So, but what you can do? Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Leave it.
Okay.
So entry we got it here and captured a
I
good
see, because
large.
it's not on the.
Yeah, it's not on there. That's fine.
just
So
my
basically,
position
gold.
of
If
the
you
thing.
look from a 20-day perspective, which I was even posting on the community, and before we start, guys, those who have already joined to the live today, make sure you guys are stay tuned for the whole journey, because we have something important as a announcement. So after the
Do
discussions,
it like this.
prepare for the NFP, we will also make sure that we will go through each and everything what we have discussed. At the same time, there is a pre-launch which is happening as well. So first we will discuss about all the scripts what we have planned, because 20 days we were looking at a new candle formation, and yesterday most of the assets, if you look at it, most of the assets have already started with a new 20-day period.
Yeah.
So from today onwards, it's a new structure, and the market have already changed their timings, and now everything back to normal until next March 29th, right?
Okay.
When the time is going to change.
Right.
So an important thing to notice is the structures and the if you were saying about the summer markets.
Summer markets.
Yeah, so how the summer markets have traded, the same way of long-term structures will be forming from today.
Yeah.
If you are able to capture at least 20% of the whole journey from today to March,
Yeah.
then you will make much more better profits rather than trying to trade each and every day.
Okay.
So the best way to analyze the structure is to let the structures form it and understand the structure. So now if you talk about internal structures on a 15 minutes, we have a breakup structure on gold. But if you look at overall perspective, this is basically a diagonal wedge which is forming after a symmetrical triangle, after a sharp sell-off. Most of the people are now calling it as a correction, but the corrections have started. If you closely watch the 20-day structures, let me just take you through this particular candles, because this is basically 20-day period which is on any charts you can go through. We had 3 consecutive candles followed by a 4th candle on a bearish. If you just simply check on a weekly time frame or a daily time frame, what is the importance of 3, 5 and 7, because when you have a large rally, you will be having a 3 consecutive rallies on a 4-hour time frame. For example, let me just show you a parallel example here. Look at the sell-off which has happened yesterday. We had a 3 massive sell-offs. I think people are able to see this one, right? This particular screen.
Yeah, they will do in a second. I'm just, there you go. Look,
no.
There's the trade. I've just managed to, normally people would do this behind the scenes, but I think it's important for the for the people to watch, like, all the back end stuff that goes on.
That's fine.
Right. Okay. So let's get that back up. There you go.
Okay. All right. No problem. So now I thought people are able to see the chart what we are discussing.
Sorry.
So now we have seen 3 consecutive candles, the red candles, right? Usually on with respect to gold, it particularly moves with respect to 3, 5 and 7.
Yep.
And if you closely watch, we had 3 consecutive bullish candle on a 20-day candle period.
Yep.
And last 20-day closed on a bearish.
Yeah.
Which is just a signal for trend reversal. Also, when you just look at this particular candle, an inverted hammer as a single, if you remove all the time frame and the asset, if you look at that particular candle psychology, which is basically the sellers are dominating the market.
Well, I mean, they will be at the moment because the dollar is now strengthening, and so
Yeah.
So it goes to say that gold will be now heading its way down. Not sure how far, but with the dollar strengthening.
If you remember our live session,
you're seeing the DXY now. Yeah,
back in
there it is,
17th, 18th September, we have posted dollar is going to go strengthen and go up to the target of 99.807. That has been already done. It has still a push towards 101. We are just waiting for the NFP results, whether it is going to happens. So if it is pushing towards that, yes, gold might dump for 3774 levels. That's what I'm looking as a positional sell side POI. This is my area where I'm looking for long opportunities until it proven. If anything stays above 3944 for me. So looking at the structure right now, we can see a pullback. As we have already discussed, this is going to be something like counter trend trades before NFP and after NFP.
Yes.
Before NFP, all the structures or all the pairs or the commodities, all the assets, I'll be looking for counter trend trades. Still on the dollar index basket, we do have target till 13,308. Now we are trading at 12,855. It got we have got 135 points, and now
that's a lot, right?
568 point. If the numbers are coming good, which is like initial dump on NFP before NFP and pushing on NFP is what I'm expecting.
Okay.
And still with the dollar strengthening narrative, technically, until and unless it changes biases or it stays certain levels, which I'm watching.
So there was talk this morning of the government actually reopening soon, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we could all be having our our data prints happening soon, which is quite good.
Yeah, but before we dive deep into it, we were discussing while walking to the Bromley South yesterday.
Yeah.
How's your soybean?
My soybean now is 40% up.
Wow, that's great, man. How did you manage to do it?
In 3 weeks.
And I heard that you are adding to the winners as well.
I'm also adding to the winners.
Could you please share that?
I should have added yesterday.
Okay.
Because it cycled back down to 30%, so it would have given me an valid opportunity.
Okay.
But I didn't. I chose not to do it.
Okay.
Because all of my when I've been adding in, all of my stops are in the same place under the complete lows.
Okay.
And now it's 40% up.
Okay.
I wasn't sure whether I didn't see a nice level to put a new stop in, and then obviously putting the stop all the way down to where the original ones was just like, what's the point? It would just be such a minimal trade.
Have you got any target in your mind or set targets or?
Well, I can show the chart. So let me just get this up here. All I talk about nowadays is soybeans. I was talking about it and everyone was laughing, and now everyone wants to hear about it all the time. So how are we today? We've actually coming down a little bit. So
okay.
So here's the position here, just on trading 212, just because it's nice and easy to use. I know that a lot of traders will be crying because I'm using this for all sorts of reasons. But yeah, so at the moment you can quite clearly see it's 38% up. I've entered 4 positions.
Okay.
I will show you how they look on the chart. So this is a 4-hour chart. So you can see where I entered the first position. My stops are right. Look how low my stops are.
Okay.
Yeah. So my stop is basically all the way below any kind of lows that have happened any time recently.
Okay.
And yeah, so look, to add again.
Mm-hmm.
Weren't really sure where to put the stop because like, even you can see, even though I know you don't really get soybean sweep, but you know I just couldn't see a nice clean position to put a stop.
For me, this looks like an option chart, where we don't have massive liquidity, but at the same time it moves in gaps.
Yeah. Well, yeah, there was a gap there, but I think that gap there was
got filled, you think 1070.
well, I mean, it did come down to it. I'm not sure if soybean moves like regular charts. I mean, I haven't really got much experience in trading. Soybeans and wheat and stuff like that. It's a little bit different. So this is like my first. But obviously, the reason I took this was because the fundamental news of China not buying soybeans anymore, and I knew that a meeting was coming up between them, and it's important for them to open that trade back up, for numerous reasons, because I mean, there needs to be trade between. This was China's retaliation to the ongoing increase of tariffs. So China kind of used it as they're all just using it as collateral at the moment. So that's kind of what they're doing. So
next week I have a task for you. You're gonna learn something more about soya beans. And
I could learn how to make soya sauce.
No, come on. Provide some more value to the viewers. And they're going to ask questions about the soybean trade, especially to you, whenever you go live. You have to prepare yourself.
I am now the king of soybeans.
All right. So back to the charts. Whether we do have all right. What we do before NFP? Do we have any opportunity to trade? Yes, we can do some sort of scalps, and I thought of analyzing along with you today so that I can prepare myself for the particular week. I have posted my analysis, which is basically looking at this level, and I still think for this 20-day, what is my observation is this week could turn, let's say, kind of a bullish like this on gold. So this is weekly candle,
right,
and this is the opening of the candle. Still we have buying opportunities, and we can see a 15 minutes structural shift which has happened on gold, and I won't be surprised if the price is coming back to 4054 and 4044 and taking out this entire liquidity of early sellers. But I'll give you a counter scenario as well, so don't imagine that it's going to be completely a bullish sentiment. This could be a scenario number one. I'm anticipating the price to go up and close some reason, because if NFP numbers are going to be bad for US dollar, and US dollar is to have a healthy correction right now from a 99 to 97 is actually a breakout and a retest model. And then on the retest, people can still buy and push the price till 101. If that is the scenario, if the big institutions want to play out, then I'm expecting gold to push upside and close this week, because what I have observed with respect to the patterns, when you have a look at this two cells which has happened inside this range, and the third candle pushed upside, and then the new trend emerged. When you actually see, this is the sell off happened earlier, right? Two sell-offs on a weekly, and the third candle pushed upside, and then a consolidation. So this whole narrative or this particular thesis says that this week could be a possibility to go bullish. Also, looking at this diagonal wedge pattern, a retest until here, that will just pick up as a wick for a massive trend which has happened on the previously. So on a simple note, what we have, erase everything. On a simple note, for any newbie to look at what is happening inside gold, we do have a inverted hammer. Who's in control when the inverted hammer is happening?
Well, that would be the
This
the
particular
sellers, right?
sellers are in control. And what the next candle could be?
Yep.
The first priority, sellers are dominating the control and moving ahead. The second priority is buyers are pushing, and if the market is able to close, followed by engulfing the inverted hammer, also
Right.
a possibility.
Yep.
So keeping that two possibilities, let's go back to daily time frame. On a daily time frame, for me, so until now we haven't decided which direction to trade.
Yep.
On a daily time frame, for me, there is a candle open and the sweep of the liquidity have not happened yet,
Okay.
which is still showing that okay, there is a sellers might step in later.
Yep.
On a 4 hours time frame, we have an imbalance. Now the balanced price range, which is here, instead of just talking about it, this is the sell side imbalance and this is the buy side imbalance.
Right.
And now this particular zone, I can call it as a balanced price range. Inside that, market is able to tap and push the price upside.
Okay.
Now I won't be surprised if this candle, we have another one more hour. Okay. If this
So for some reason your laptop keeps cutting out, but carry on.
okay, all right. So this particular candle, we do have one more hour to close, which
Yeah.
is at 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, if the candle is staying above 3971, the next candle, anything goes down, I'll be looking for long opportunities. The reason, because the counter trend have already pushed the balanced price range and tapped into that balanced price range. Now this is the order block, which might be a good opportunity for sniper entries. But if you look for 15 minutes, we do have a structural break, but the displacement is not there.
Okay.
What I mean, buyers are showing strength,
Yeah.
but they are not showing their true power.
Okay.
So the displacement shows a massive push towards upside. For me, I'm looking for opportunities if the market is staying 3942, 3962 levels, then that would be my zone for a counter trend trade.
Okay.
So this is not a trend trade for me, this is a counter trend trade. Until NFP, I'll be looking for long opportunities. But as I said earlier, so when we discuss counter trend, if you remember the last Wednesday also,
Yeah.
we discussed about counter trend. But what if the market is pushing down and retesting this balanced price range? Obviously I'll change my bias and go with the market flow.
Yep.
Right? So any questions, any doubts so far, please do let me know. I think I'll just go back to the other channel if anyone has commented.
Well, we've got a comment on TikTok. Someone saying, "Can you hear the scams?"
You can come down
Not
to
exactly
the trading floor if you're trading.
Not exactly sure what the scam is because we haven't tried to. Maybe we should try and sell them. So I tell you what, just for you, mate. We have some really great magic beans here, right? So what you do, you can come down and you can buy them off us. And what you do is you take them home and you eat them, and it makes you a profitable trader every single time. So come and buy your magic beans from us. They look, everyone here is eating them, aren't they? Yeah, these magic beans. Yeah.
Don't ignore them. Let them comment whatever they want. So by the way,
your screen's gone again. What's going on with your screen? It's weird today.
All right.
Your laptop's finally going to give up the ghost. Imagine it just starts smoking.
Come on.
You can hire them now. You should go and lease one. They're like really cheap. Like I think you can lease like a brand new MacBook Air for like 20 quid a month or something like that. 20, 30 quid a month.
No, I got one MacBook Mini at home.
Right.
And I just want to transfer all the files.
Oh, so you've already bought a new Mac?
Yeah, no, the MacBook Mini, the hard disk connected with the desktop monitors.
God, you can't. You can't walk around with that, can you?
No, but I can transfer, some of the memory because
Right.
this is completely full, right? And then make this as a handy.
What's the memory size on that? Do you know?
I'm not sure. Sorry, I'm not a tech guy.
Thank you, Caliper, Refurb Manchester. I'm taking you refurb calipers. I mean, the name's in the title, right? Hope you're refurbing a lot of calipers and you're making a lot of money. Are you into trading? Is that what brings you to the page? Do you also want to buy the magic beans?
All right, if you remember the morning missives which we have posted early morning today on the BTC, so this is for some of the BTC traders looking at this level at 103,600 to 103,200 is the target. Please watch, keep an eye on these two levels where the next direction might emerge, and it might be pushing towards. That is basically the previous month lows.
Okay.
On a simple note,
Right.
if you guys want to check out the previous month low on BTC, and if that level is hit, then the next directional trade is going to happen on BTC as well.
Okay.
Right. On a FTSE, we have discussed a massive push towards upside, and if London high is broken, which is the previous New York high.
Well, the FTSE got smashed the other day with her stupid. That's absolutely pointless.
Yesterday I got a couple of messages. People were saying that it's crazy because market is moving, manipulating both the side.
Yeah, she done that speech in the morning, didn't she?
Yeah.
And she just basically. I mean, like when you look at the overall chart. I mean, not that they can see that; they can just see a black screen. I mean, it's still, but I mean, look at what her speech did.
No, but
Absolutely
it's
berserk.
See, but FTSE has been moving for the seventh consecutive 20
Yeah, I mean,
days.
if you look at the chart overall,
Yeah.
the FTSE is actually, over. I mean, see, this is what I saw this thing on I think it was Twitter where someone just posted that and then going, she's destroyed the economy. And then someone goes, all right, cool, but this is a zoomed out version of the same chart. And you can quite clearly see that, there is a steady increase in the FTSE. So, and that's obviously all the UK companies, right?
Yeah.
So, something's, going the right way. I mean, not that it's going to filter down to us too much on the streets, but, at least it's heading in a positive direction.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens after the new budget, right? When she starts taxing everyone again. I mean, I just don't understand it. I mean, surely to curb inflation,
Yeah.
you stop taxing people so they can spend more money. But no, tax them more. No one can spend. Everyone's going to go on a spending lockdown. What do you think is going to happen to inflation?
Taxes more.
Huh?
Taxes more.
That you want us to be taxed more?
No, taxes more.
Oh,
now.
right. Yeah. No, but then she's going to tax us even more. All of the things that she said she was not going to do in their original mandate, they've now broken, and she's making up weird excuses. Like, I saw a lot of funny memes on Twitter and stuff. The Battle of Hastings, cost us a lot of money, so I'm gonna have to put tax up.
Okay.
Stuff like that.
Okay.
So. Anyway, back to the here and now, not to the what might be.
All right. So this is a new 1 hour candle, right? You
Is
might
it?
get
Can't
a
see it.
scalping opportunity. What is happening with this?
I don't know. Maybe try and unplug it and plug it back in again. See what happens. Oh. Technical difficulty, peoples. Normally we are okay, but today it's a bit weird. So he's got too many tabs open, haven't you, Sinu? Sinu.
So 1, 2, 3.
These are not
4, 5,
tabs;
6,
these are
7.
desktops as well. Sinu loves to use about 30 desktops.
No, not now.
He
Anyways,
likes one
let
for
me look
every
at
day of
the
the week.
sell side. What is the strong sell side? Which is like quite. Oh, okay. This is very less, which is less than 10 lots.
Yep.
This is the third 15-minute candle, which is pushing from down.
Oh, it's disappeared again. That definitely didn't work.
Oh, I would have gone. I was looking at. Okay, let's. While looking at FTSE, I got some good trade.
Okay.
Sorry, while looking at gold, I got a good trade on FTSE.
Okay. Are you going to enter a position now?
Yes, please.
Okay. Let's get this up. The position screen.
Yeah.
Oh God! Look, it's all gone wrong again here, isn't it? Let's have a look. Okay, so we are now in a FTSE. Is it a sell? Yes, it's a sell.
It's a sell.
My framing is a little bit off on this, so let me just sort that out. There we go. I definitely need to sort this out, you know.
It's a scalping trade.
Okay, so why don't you show them on the chart as well, if it wants to come back up.
Yeah.
So what made you take that sell?
So basically, what I've seen with respect to liquidity areas. So this particular zone is 3rd November's New York AM session liquidity. Also 4th November New York lunchtime liquidity. Even today London high liquidity. So these 3 levels, if it is, if taken out together, then we could see a massive sell-off with respect to FTSE. If we get this trade right, yes, then there is a connection and I can take a long entry with respect to gold as well. But I will wait for the 15-minute candle, which is another 11 more minutes.
Okay.
For this particular trade to roll out. And what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting this particular candle to close below the zone. Yeah, something like this. And next, followed by next candle.
Okay.
Something like this. This is what, I'm expecting. The third candle is the decision making candle, basically whether it want to close below the structure or it wants to push upside on the next 4-hour candle. So basically this takes time preparing for the whole next 4-hour journey.
Okay.
So 2 p.m. sorry 2 p.m. when the new 4-hour candle opens, we have got 1 hour 54 minutes. Come on, how come? I'm looking at something different. Let's see. Spread X. Let me look at Avanda. FXC. UK 100. just started. A new 4-hour candle just started right now.
Okay.
So on this, market pushed upside to take out the liquidity, and it is going to make a decision
Right.
which direction it want to move further.
Okay.
But before making that decision, okay, this is kind of a trade. Where am I? Yeah, this is kind of a candles, next 2 more candles which I'm expecting. If this is happening, then the third candle, if the third candle closes below, the next 4-hour candle's direction is going to be sell.
Okay.
If the third candle closes above this liquidity,
Yep.
try to push down but closes above this liquidity, then the next 4-hour candle is going to be bullish.
Okay.
So that's a good trade for me, and I have another 8 more minutes for this trade. I'm adding one more position into it. What could be my loss if something bad happens? Okay.
Yes, so we are in Bromley South. P store verified. Whereabouts are you? Are you close to Bromley South?
9742.
Senior is putting another sell, are you? Entering another position into the same trade.
Good morning, Clive. Yes, I need your help.
So $50 per trade. We have risked around $150 right now.
Okay. So we're at $150 risk. And we are 3 sales on the footsie. And oh, look, it's Raj. Hello, Raj. How are you? How's your strategy doing at the moment? Is it still working, or is gold finished for you?
Just got funded from FTMO 200k.
Really?
Yeah.
200k.
200k
That's maximum.
maximum. But you can get another one to make it 400 and put it into one. So,
Wow. So one of our traders have just passed their 200k FTMO trading gold only. Is it gold?
only go. I passed it in 8 days, phase 1, phase 2.
8 days.
8 days. Five days for the first phase and 3 days.
So you passed it in 8 days. So how is trading now? Because gold is a very it's in a consolidation mode, isn't it?
To be honest, I'm more of a buyer. I'm more long.
Yeah.
And it's just been going down.
So have you just not been trading at all?
I have been trading, but I ain't getting that much as I used to. If you know
Okay.
what I mean. But yeah, it's going good.
Are you actually
From the
putting in
Alex, we are
sales
getting
as well?
congrats on the funded.
Yeah, I do some sales.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm actually have got a long at the moment.
Well.
See how that goes.
Well, the dollar is strengthening. This is why gold is on its way down, and obviously everyone's selling off from the all-time highs as well. So
I just believe gold is just having its pullback, and then it'll go back to probably say 43 maybe for this
43,
year.
you
I
reckon?
Say 5, but
Okay.
43 now.
yeah. So Alex says congrats on the funded there. I will be stealing his strategy very shortly. I'm coming to steal your strategy, Raj.
All right. So yes, as I said, so this is a good push towards upside. This is the area. If it breaks, then yes, gold is gonna go up and having a breakout for this level, which is on a FTSE, we could see a sell-off. Also 77.84.
So how's things, Alex? How is the World Cup competition
that
going?
move.
I think this guy's part of our World Cup England team. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, Asinae, how are you? I haven't seen you for ages. Where have you been hiding? She's been hiding somewhere.
No, never. So guys, yes, as I said, there is a webinar
A webinar. Oh,
Yeah.
exciting.
next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday. And that's your birthday as well, is it?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh.
So
Should we film it? Should we film the webinar?
then we will record it.
Record. You don't want it. What time is this webinar?
So which is an important time as well.
Okay.
And as you said, we need to keep usually what we do for Independence Day and Republic Day, we keep 2 minutes silence for remembering
that's from the
soldiers.
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, yeah. And we are also hosting, so we thought about taking that as a privilege to inform the importance about the World War One and how we ended up on a peace as well, right? So that being said, and
so it's going to be a 2-minute silence webinar.
No,
you just join and we're all silent for 2 minutes, and then
we are going to launch a new product.
The
product is called My AI, powered by Educate to Trade, and it's going to be a complete revolutionized product for traders. Because a human intelligence platform takes input from the humans and delivers you the output. I can show you a simple glance if you want.
We're getting a preview here.
Are we doing a preview as well?
Well, I don't know. That's what you're saying. Is this the platform here?
Yeah. So I think you can see right now, isn't it? So let's say if people want to go long for the next 5 minutes, they can give their input. Which is whether they want to analyze the market with respect to gold on a 5 minutes, and they can get the output from the entire world while traders are analyzing their trades and give a results of right now 45% of the people are looking for long, 35% of people are looking for short.
What, on a 5 minute?
On a 5 minutes, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour.
Should we do a trade just on this? See what happens?
Not now. This is what. So on a simple note,
I want to just do a trade just on that. Come on, let's do one trade just on that.
Not now. Not now. Because
it needs refining.
No, it's not refining. When we have planned something launch, so we'll do it on then.
I know, but maybe they want a sneak peek. Maybe they want to.
That's why I have shared the platform,
So basically, you heard it. The 5 minute plan for gold is go long. So everyone go long on gold quickly. That's not financial advice.
No, it's there on the platform as well. Let's see what is going to happen in 5 minutes, as you said.
On gold.
Yeah.
This is dangerous, Dave. But I'm telling you, that's just showing the sentiment of people, is it? It's not like if you see that you just go long, is it?
No.
Yeah, of course.
So the best part is usually all the trading, gurus, so-called gurus, what they do is they pretend to be like they are the one who knows the market and they are the one who...
Nobody knows the market.
Yeah, true. Because rather than this, it's a trading compass, and it gives whether if you want to go to the north, it will tell you how many people are walking on the same path. If you want to go to the south, it will tell you how many people are looking to go south as well. Because this is all about probability, right? So how can you put it in a simple note? The green says...
I mean, here in the UK, I don't think anyone wants to go north. I think everyone's going south. Right? South is warmer. North is just like cold and long nights. And mind you, can see the northern lights. So.
All right, no problem. I was just about the compass and the comparison. Yeah. So we are going to discuss about the whole integration, how we can implement for entire our audience. Also help them to provide a best value in the market, because I haven't seen a similar sort of a platform. Not because I have built this. I'm not saying this is something one of its kind. I haven't seen so far. Tomorrow there might be so many people are coming up with
someone saying this is good. You've got a comment there.
James Dawson. Thank you, James. So this is something which is important for traders, investors, and everyone, right? So if I am a beginner, I can go to the platform. Before taking my entry, I can go and give my input, so that meanwhile all the people, all the traders looking at that particular asset will analyze it for you and give their inputs. And it collects the data and gives the output.
Especially good for swing traders, right?
Anything. You could do swing, if you are looking for weekly time frame and daily time frame, even 4-hour time frame,
Okay.
you could do positional trades if you are looking for 15 minutes, 1 hour, and shorter time frame. You could do scalping if you are looking for 5 minutes and 15
You have
minutes.
to be
Always.
quickly entering that stuff there of your scalping, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, everyone's feel free to join the they'll find that information
I think I have sent it to you on
in the
WhatsApp.
free Telegram group, right?
Yeah, they'll
Yeah.
be able to find.
So if you go to our bio or the description of whatever platform you're on now, you will see a link to our free Telegram group. So feel free to join that, and you can check out this new platform. Will it be free, or are you charging £500 a month?
No, we are going to charge £10,000 a month. That should be the expectation you should have for the
Okay.
platform.
Yeah.
But on the webinar,
So £10,000 a month fees. It sounds very reasonable. Sign me up for 5 months initially.
okay, all right. On the webinar, we are
Yeah.
going to give all the exclusive offers as well.
Okay, cool.
So they'll
But I can get a discount, right?
be. You are going to get lifetime free access.
Oh, I'm gonna get. Wow, look at that.
Because every time when you go for a live, you
Oh,
can just add one more
yeah.
line.
Okay. Oh, that's why I can see it now. Yeah.
Alright.
It's just an elevated pitch. You just want me to sell it. Now
Alright.
I know I'm getting free access. You should be paying me then.
Yeah.
I'm an influencer now.
Okay, all right. So are we how are we looking at the trade? I think
Oh
we
right,
will have
yeah.
to still wait
I
for-
forgot we was actually here doing trades. Yeah. So pretty much doing nothing at the moment.
Yeah.
I mean, I preferred last week and the week before because it would have been the open coming up now, but now it's like. I think we might need to do these a bit later because there's no volatility at the moment.
because why we we have chosen this time, because usually most of the news events are happening at 1:30,
Okay.
right?
Yep.
So we can do a pre-planning. If people want to ask questions, they can ask questions and get clarified, and when the compass is there, we can also collectively analyze the data. And if you even seeing why we were branding as trading compass, because I don't personally believe in people who are saying okay, they are the master of the market,
No.
because I'm still learning.
No.
And if you ask Enzo, he's
I'm
still
the
learning.
master of soybeans.
Yeah,
so.
you are the master of soybean. Yes. So that should be the message which should share across the platform in this industry, because when 90% of the people fail, or 99% of the people fail in an industry, most of the newbies come and shout like SCAMS.
Scams, yeah. Well, somebody's
Because-
already shouted it today.
Yeah.
And that's why we've decided to sell these magic beans that when you eat, they will make you true trading professionals.
Yeah.
And they 100% work. It's been back tested on multiple people. That guy, you just saw it, he just passed his 200k FDMO account. How do you think he done it? The magic beans.
Yeah. Just eat the magic bean.
Just
and
eat the
then-
magic beans and
Yeah.
you too can have maximum allotment on FTMO,
Yep.
Carry on.
So on a simple note, let me look at the next 4-hour candle, and we have got another 40 more minutes for this trade to play out on FTSE. At the same time, I'm looking at gold. Simple 2 tips.
Okay.
What I've seen in the summer markets, gold and FTSE trading in the same direction.
Okay.
What I've seen prior to summer market from last November 4th, which is like November 4th is the time when Trump's election happened, right?
Okay.
From there to March, that journey was completely opposite side. So gold
Interesting.
pushing upside, FTSE going down.
Okay. So that's what
So I was literally analyzing one asset and trading on the another one as well. Last November to April. So I'm trying to figure it out if that opportunity is still available. But I've seen with respect to Bank Nifty, how I was trading in the early mornings yesterday, it was not available today. And
Why, is it a holiday over there or something? In
Yeah.
India?
yeah,
Oh, it's a
so the
holiday.
Bank Nifty was not trading, and you know what? It is also trading opposite side. So this particular 6 months window, which is from today to March,
Yeah.
if we are able to strategize and identify at early stage, while 20-day period, within that 20-day period,
Yeah.
next 60 days, and if you consider quarterly, let's say 13 candles are going to open
Okay.
weekly basis
Yeah.
for that particular quarter,
Right.
and out of 13 candles, if I'm able to capture at least 5 candles in a row in a positional trade,
Right.
done.
Okay, that's good.
So setting up goal for the whole, winter markets.
Okay, cool.
You want to call it winter markets?
Winter yeah, I don't know. Enzo might need to they call, yeah. Normally they call it the Santa Rally.
Yeah.
The Santa Rally.
Okay.
So we got Justin on here. He said BTC's drop last night was crazy. Can we have a look?
6%.
Can
Yeah.
we have a look at the BTC chart?
And
Bitcoin.
you won't be surprised, Justin, if you can go to our community and yesterday's note, if you just check it.
He is on. Oh, it's Aaron. Sorry. He is actually. He's actually joined the community yesterday.
Yeah,
he was on the live yesterday.
Live yesterday as well. You
He's
might
going to come
just-
down to the floor soon.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so-
So if you just go back and check, 909 200 was the level which I was looking for short and confirming the short, and that has already happened. Unfortunately, I didn't got any position, and I was
You missed that one.
I missed out. Yeah, to be.
Let's
If
have a
it-
look
if
at that.
it is there, it will be there.
Where is it now?
So 102, and what I'm looking
Did it go under
this
the
is level.
100?
99 yesterday night at 11 a.m. or something.
So
99.
we had, Barvin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he was here doing a podcast with us on last Monday, and he thinks that if you get a closure, a long closure underneath the 100, then
You're gonna have a burst.
bull run is over.
Yeah.
For all markets.
Yeah.
And that's going to be the leading asset that's about to, and more and more now I listen to the news, more and more now I'm hearing that this cycle is coming to an end.
Okay. So, yes, this is what most of the people started to think when there is even a correction, right? If you think from last November to this November, 64 to 100, 35k, 35,000 points is what BTC have moved.
Yeah.
Before election, 64,000, and then rally, it sustained 35,000 points, which is like 50% of the entire rally which has happened previously.
Yeah.
And what is the healthy correction from 100 to backward? Which is 78k roughly. That correction has already happened earlier as well. Now, for me, how I'm looking at BTC, I'm looking still bullish.
Yeah, still
Bullish until we have this 20-day candle, which is like, this is the second candle, right? The second candle, I'm completely okay to go bearish.
Yeah.
But if the third candle goes bearish and sustains anything below 93,500, then I'll be cautious. Until then, I'm looking for long opportunities, because for me, from 64 to 100 itself a massive push, and a healthy correction if you're looking at 126 or 135 as next big target.
Yeah.
You can just buy and hold it from 93, 94 levels. That's what I would do. I think this is still
he was showing examples of the property market as well. That's starting to recede as well. So he thinks from 6 months to 2 years, we are going to start to see the end of this
bull run.
run.
Yeah.
The end
That
of this
is there.
cycle. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
For that, I was thinking about the Robert Kiyosaki's message he has posted back in Robert Kiyosaki, the Rich Dad Poor Dad author.
Oh yeah, he was literally quoting him as well. Yeah.
Because he mentioned before all these bull rallies happened about gold, he mentioned, I still remember that podcast which has happened in 2022, I guess.
Right.
Before this rally has happened, 22 onwards.
Yeah.
I can get the podcast, video.
Well, should we watch the whole podcast on here? It'd be like a
not
podcast
now.
within
Not
a
now.
podcast.
No.
You know, like that video when they say, "Have you seen this video?"
What?
Have you seen that one on TikTok or Insta?
Huh.
Where the guy goes up to the guy and
Yeah.
goes, "Have you seen this video?" And then they look, and then it's another guy going, "Have you seen this video?"
Yeah.
And it just keeps on going, and then at the end there's a message.
Why don't you do
We could
some
do that
kind
with
of-
the podcast.
Come on, why
We
don't
could do
you
a
do
podcast
something
within a
kind of
podcast.
content for us so that it goes viral? When
Yeah,
are you going to do a similar content for us?
I don't know. We'll have to think about it. Maybe this could be it. It could be a podcast within a. Have you watched this podcast?
Okay.
And then the next podcast could be have you watched
Let me
this?
come back to the important point. So he was mentioning when gold was trading around 1876 level to invest in gold
Yep.
and buying more of a gold, physical gold himself
Right.
on that particular podcast. I think that was with Sharon, I guess.
Okay.
I don't remember. I'll be able to post it over the weekend inside our
Yeah,
community.
you can put it on the free Telegram group that you'll
I'll
find in
post
the
it, yeah, Friday.
bio or description.
Yeah. Friday end, you guys can watch that.
That'd be
because,
your weekly homework.
Yeah. So every bull run had a correction, right? If you think about the .com bubble.
Yeah.
And how Powell is reiterating the word about this is not a .com bubble. A bubble is something much bigger because they have not like 2008. They have actual revenue growth. Look at Nvidia. They are projecting numbers. They are also achieving numbers. People are accepting that growth. People are able to go with that. So that correction, whether it is going to sustain within, like you mentioned earlier, like 6 months or 1 year down the line,
Yeah.
a big question.
Right.
Yeah. So for me, viral podcast, your viral podcast moment. Thank you so much. All right. So
Don't love your job. Job your love.
no. Okay. This
Job your love. That sounds a bit. Maybe I can
okay.
become a gigolo.
Back in 2014, I posted to one of my earlier CEO, do what you love and love what you do. What
Yeah.
is the difference?
I love what I do.
I'm not.
So,
Do
Yeah.
what you love what you do. It's the same thing, right?
now, so do what you love is following your passion,
Okay.
and love what you do is following the purpose.
Okay.
One leads to another,
Okay.
right? Vice versa.
I stream all day, so
Yeah.
I mean, it's
This is
a
what
pretty
you
pretty good
love
gig.
to do as well.
Just sitting on here talking
And
rubbish.
final note, we
all
will
day.
wind up for the day, and we will see how the market is unfolding for the New York session. Before that, give me a tip so that how I can start my voice training from the, like how do the podcast people talk about it? Because when I go back and check my podcast,
Yeah.
I think that my voice needs some correction.
Okay, so I'm a DJ as well. So I've actually been to like a microphone confidence course.
Okay.
So what you have to do is you actually have to slow your speech down, right? So what that allows is it allows you to think about what you're saying, and it also gives people a chance to kind of take in what you're saying as well. So it's all about cadence. So if you go to YouTube and work out to sort of like search how to make your voice more cadent, and that would be my advice to you to learn how to do podcasts is just to slow your voice down,
Yeah.
and also to try and put expression into your voice. So not like have a monotone voice like this, because nobody likes that monotone voice. They find it annoying. Instead, like have words where you like emphasize, you know. So and you know, you can use your hands as well. Showing the palms of your hands is good.
Yeah.
You know, it shows trust. Yeah. Not like this. This is like spirit fingers or something, right? Like just like this, like be open.
Okay.
Yeah, people like that openness. You know, you can have different signs for different things. Like if you want to seem powerful, you can do this with your fingers. This is like a powerful kind of. If you want to make a powerful point, you know, you can do this. They call this the power thing, like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to be like if you want to be flamboyant, you can go woo. I don't suggest doing that. Like,
Yeah. Okay. Alright. So thank you so much, everyone. See you all inside the webinar on Tuesday, and followed by see you all on Wednesday on the same live. Possibly.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Unfortunately, next week Wednesday I might not be able to join Wednesday.
Okay.
But let's see if we can stream it from different places.
We can't. You can do it on your own from different places, but because I have to do
Next week I might go on
Go where?
holiday.
You might be on holiday.
Yeah, next week Wednesday. Let's see. If possible, I'll try to keep each and everything.
I will work on something.
Yeah.
I've been meaning to find a way of bringing people in.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try my best to achieve that.
Yeah.
Okay. It will probably be an absolute nightmare, but yeah. Can he can join your call?
Yeah.
Which call? Which call is he on about?
The webinar.
Many wins today. Done 0 trades today. Many wins today. Okay.
No, I think we have just did our analysis for.
We've done 3 trades today.
No, we were just looking at the gold for 26 more minutes, whether this is closing on a bullish or bearish. If it is closing bullish, I'm looking for short. If it is closing bearish, I'm looking for long opportunities on the NY open session. Simple.
Yeah, I need to work on that. On being able to bring people in from different locations. This is definitely something I'm going to work on because I've come up with a really cool idea.
Okay.
Right? Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to launch a competition. So it's going to be 2 traders head to head. So it would be, you know, over a set amount of time. So it would be like maybe an hour or 2 hours.
Okay.
Maybe at open or whenever. We work out all the details.
Yeah.
And they will both be given probably a free, well, not a demo account. Yeah, maybe demo. I don't know if we're gonna do it like whatever, but it'll be exactly the same amount. Yeah, I'll have access to both accounts, and then we'll set the timer, and then that'll be it. They'll be off. Like, and then I can just go into one, go into the other, come into myself, you know, and then people can just kind of watch the whole thing, and then, like, you know, obviously when you win, you have bragging rights, but you know, this could be part of a bigger idea, you know, this could be, it could turn into a league, you know what I mean, a whole kind of thing, you know, and maybe we can take this eventually to, you know, we can hire a venue somewhere, and we can, you know, we can do like, you know, what the Saudis done to golf, you know, where they took something that, and sorry if you are a golfing lover here, took something that's quite, should we say, not massively exciting, but they've made it so, you know, like, they play music and they can win cars, like if they do certain shots and stuff. So they've really kind of taken golf and just made it this like super cool, exciting thing.
Okay.
You know, so, but you know, maybe we can do that with trading a bit, you know, because I feel like trading could do with a little bit of a spice up, you know, to make it, you know, a bit more appealing for people to come and watch people trading, you know.
Yeah, true. So the live trading competition is what you're saying?
Huh?
Live trading competition.
Yeah, live trading.
And a
So two traders will just go head to head.
Yeah.
And sounds like a risk, that competition. Well, you know, trading is all about risk. So as long as they're risk managed, yeah, I mean, it depends, isn't it? We'll have to put some rules in. because you know people could just go all in and blow their accounts.
Yeah.
But I suppose maybe that could be part of the competition.
Yeah.
You know, if you blow your account, that's it. You're immediately out, right?
Yeah.
I mean, this is how it works, right? It's just in the parameter of that competition, which could make it more exciting.
Got it.
You know, someone could go, right, that's it. I'm going all in on this trade, and bang. Maybe we could have a target as well. You know, you could have a target, and you know, so you can obviously have your account would be your stop loss, and your target would be to maybe go like 10% up or 20% up. You know, so we really kind of like, you know, obviously this wouldn't be a thing that people would actually do in the real world. They wouldn't trade like this, but it could just be, you know, a good kind of like take on it.
All right. So let's plan that ahead.
Okay, yeah, I'll get on with trying to build that. I have 1 week from today to try and do that.
Yeah. So you guys will be able to see this update. $50 is per trade risk. $150 is the maximum risk. Even that too, we are not even risking 1% of our daily risk limit, as small as possible. And I'll be looking for, this trade is basically a tester. You know how we do the tester, right?
The tester.
So this is basically a tester for the gold trade.
Okay.
Whether if this is moving in opposite direction, if this is going to sell off, yes, I'm gonna add more on a gold trade. If this is going to hit my stop loss, I'll be looking for short opportunities in gold trade. As simple as that for the New York opening. Thank you so much, and wish you nothing less than success ahead, guys.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, so just before I go, I just want to remind you to join our free Telegram group. The link will be in the description or the bio. And within that Telegram group, you will have access to all of the things that we do. So he'll answer that just before my last plug here. You'll have access to our copy trading platform. You'll have access to all of the markups we do daily and the trade ideas. You can follow the trades that we do on these lives. And obviously you can find out more about the platform. Sinu will be releasing on the 11th of November, which is soon.
Yours is asking, what is the correlation with the UK 100 and gold? You know,
he wasn't here before, so you'll have to say it again. Yeah.
So simple narrative, what I have seen with respect to last November to last April, March, April, it was moving in opposite directions. And just have a look. If you can find some correlation, then it's better for doing an analysis and backtesting whatever the strategies you are playing.
Oh God, did you see that? Somebody just popped on saying the best of golf. God, just as well he didn't come on like a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
He would have been like, what do you mean golf is boring?
All right, guys, thank you so much.
I've just managed to scrape out there.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Okay, guys, take care. Have a good day. Trade safe, and see you tomorrow for Enzo's live trading session.